गुड मॉर्निंग व्यूअर्स। सभी का हेल्थ अच्छा रहे और आपका मन भी अच्छा रहे। So in the last class we had discussed about the comparing quantities. So this is the second part, that how we will convert fractional number to percentage and decimal to percentage and percentage to fractions or decimals. So these are your different tricks. So suppose first we will take the fractional number to percentage. Suppose for example I am taking 1 by 2. Suppose you want to convert this 1 by 2 to percentage. 1 to percentage. So in this case you multiply this by 100 and this by also 100. So in earlier classes also I had discussed that when you are multiplying both numerator and denominator by the same number, so the value is not changing. But if you multiply only to numerator, not to denominator, then the number is not same. This thing should be kept in your mind. So I have multiplied both numerator and denominator by 100 because percentage means out of 100. So I have multiplied here, and this denominator 100 is the symbol of percentage. This is the symbol of percentage. So 100 into 1, 100, and this 100 symbol is percentage symbol because you are calculating out of 100, then by 2. So now you simplify this. So this is 50%. So this is the method how to convert fractional number to percentage. Okay. Similarly, any fractional number. Suppose there are different ways. Suppose you want to convert 3 by 4 to percentage. There is another method. Suppose you want to convert this as 100. This as 100 because I have to give the percentage symbol. So when I am comparing this and this is 25 times. So you multiply this number also by 25. So now 25 into 3 is 75. 75 by 100. So automatically this is 75%. This is another method of conversion of fractional number to percentage. Next is, this is the first example 1 of that. Next example 2, the second one is converting decimal to percent. Suppose I am taking one decimal number 0.5. So this is the decimal number. So 0.5 means, suppose you want to convert this into fraction. So I have already told you, or you know also, how to convert this decimal number to fraction. Suppose 0.5, you write 5. Just blindly write 5. Then by 1 पॉइंट का बाद जितना नंबर है इतना जीरो इधर लगा because here only one number, so 1 0 is there. But converting this like this method, you want to convert this 100. So when you are converting 100, you see what times it increased. Now if you compare, because that is comparing, anything you are comparing. So when you are comparing, this is how many times? This is 10 times. So automatically you also multiply this number by 10. So now you will get 50 by 100, or this is 50%. This is 50%. So this is the conversion of decimal number to percentage. Similarly, suppose another cases I am taking another case. Suppose 0.15, 0.15, not 15 because point के बाद we read it as 0.15. So now the first method is convert this into fractional number. So what I have told you, write blindly 15, then 1 point के बाद जितना number है, then you have to put that number of 0. Now this is 15 by 100. These are tricks आपको जल्दी सीख जाएंगे और it will be not burden to you and you will learn more things. So now I have told you that if it is 100, so automatically you give the percentage symbol. Now it converted into percentage. So this is another method to convert a decimal to percent. Suppose here I had forgot. Suppose there is another mixed number. Suppose this is 2 1 by 2. Suppose you want to convert this mixed number to percentage. So you can do this. First mixed number you convert to fraction 2 into 2 4 plus 1 5 by 2. And again you want to convert this to 100. So because for giving your percentage symbol. So you compare now this value. It is how many times? 50 times. 50 times. So you multiply this also by 50. So when you multiply this by 50, then automatic 5 0 is 0, 5 5 is 2, so 50 by 100. So you can write it as 250%. Okay, so these are about your decimal to percentage. Next is your percentage to fractions or decimal. Then example 3 we take. Here given percentage to fraction. Suppose it is 10%. This is what? Percentage. You have to convert to fractions. So when 10%, I have told you in earlier that 10 लिखो, ये symbol के लिए इधर हम हो जाएगा. Okay. So now you cancel out this 0. Then this is 1 by 10. Just like conversion of like this manner, this is the just reverse way. एक 0 है तो एक नंबर लिखो, नंबर का आगे पढ़ दे, नंबर का आगे पढ़ दे, so 0.1. So this is the conversion of percentage to fraction, percentage to fraction as well as to decimal, because you are comparing. Similarly, suppose in other cases, another percent you take, suppose 25%, because you have to solve many more problems. So when you are solving many problems, then automatically your doubt will be clear. So 25% means that is 25 by 100. Okay. So if you compare this thing, then you see here 25 1 there, 25 25 4 there. So that is 1 by 4. This is the fraction. Again, just for converting into percentage, very easy. For decimal, very easy. That is 25 by 100. So what I have told, you write the number लिखिए. एक में कितना जीरो है? 2 जीरो है. तो 2 नंबर आगे पॉइंट करना था. बस now you got this is the value. So here is the comparison. Percentage to fractions and decimals. Suppose 1%. 1% means 1 by 100. And 2 0. तो 2 नंबर आगे पॉइंट लगना है. लेकिन इधर एक नंबर है. तो एक नंबर है तो एक जीरो देकर पॉइंट दे दो. सिमिलरली 10 by 100, 1 by 10, तो इधर भी एक जीरो है तो 0.1. And because here you can give the extra zero because it has no values. पॉइंट का बाद जो नंबर लिखा है उसका बाद जितना भी जीरो दे दो वो कुछ वैल्यू नहीं. सिमिलरली 50%, that is 50 by 100. Okay, now you can write the decimal. Just 50 लिखो, मैंने बोला था 50 लिखो, इधर 2 जीरो. ओके, 2 जीरो मतलब 2 नंबर पहले पॉइंट दे. So these are the all tricks about the 3 things: converting fractional number to percentage, converting decimal to percentage, converting percentage to fractions or decimals. Okay, thank you and